Hello, hello, hello. Forex Trading live stream number 20. Right. Hopefully everything is working. Hopefully you can hear me and the music. Again, I cannot hear the music, so I have no idea what's actually playing, but hopefully it's good. All right. So far this trading week has been very 50-50. I'll take like 2 trades, win one, lose the other, which is fine because I usually go for 2 or 3 2 or 3 reward on my wins and then 1 on my losses. So I'm still up for the week, but not by nearly as much as I feel like I should be. I probably shouldn't have taken all those dollar trades. Since the dollar has been so unstable, but all my cross pair trades have been really good. My AUD NZD and Euro GBP trades have been really good these past couple of days. Or you could even say this entire year. Let's see, forgot to check the news. Do have some news at 5:30, and it is pretty heavy. So that might affect the dollar as it's been doing. Euro GBP had some really heavy movement last night, and this was actually the trade that I won. Didn't think it would go down that far, but yeah, made the right call on that one. Let's see what's going on with the dollar. I don't see a clear direction once again, so might not be trading in the dollar pairs today. We'll see what happens. Yes, I did restart the vape. Not ready to quit yet, but soon. Slowly weaning myself off the vape. Yeah, dollar pairs, I don't have too much faith in the dollar pairs today. We'll see though, that might change within the next 20 minutes. Oh man. I have been yapping all day today. My throat is worn out. I'm gonna yap some more for another 2 hours. Yappity yap. Yeah, I was thinking yesterday that today would be like an easy day, but I don't know. Not seeing anything too fantastic yet. No. Yeah, not seeing anything too fantastic. Uh, hmm. Oh, wow. The GJ went way down. Wow. Okay, so it didn't break through the level. All right. Well, I didn't take that trade anyway, but I was thinking about it. Yeah, the yen pairs all went down really heavy. Hmm. Alrighty. Yeah, I haven't been trading the yen pairs lately. To be completely honest. I think I took a couple of yen trades in January, but I think since then I haven't really been messing with them. Oh wow, okay, we actually got some movement on the cross pairs. Okay, haven't really been messing with those either. But you know, they might make their way back into the rotation. Maybe. All right, I think the odd and ZD should continue going up. So let's see. AUD up, GBP down. Okay. All right, this is a possibility here. Right. Hmm. And of course, we're still dealing with our time zone difference until England switches over their daylight savings time, which is in like a week and a half. So we've got a little bit more. A week and a half longer of confusion. Two separate opens, pretty much. Okay. Well, this is the first time this week that I do not see anything yet. But we do have 18 minutes till the first open. So info. Oh, damn, you lost your account? Oh. You can follow your own plan right in front of. Not sure what you meant by that. Man, why? Oh. You were so close, buddy. It's okay. I would take some time away. Maybe hop on a trial version. Yeah. Well, how long have you been trading? Are you a couple years in, or are you like a couple? How long has it been? Well, the reason I ask is I would say that I got my discipline down probably beginning of my third year. And that was when I started to be much less reckless. So it's going to be a different time frame for everybody, but it takes some time. It takes some time to become a disciplined trader. I think some people underestimate the amount of time that takes. It takes a minute. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're only 1 year in. Oh yeah, I would. Yeah, continue going. You know, keep trading and keep doing what you're doing. But you know, you're only a year in. There's a lot to learn for sure. My first year personally was a disaster. Yeah, if you just lost an account, especially like on the verification stage, I would recommend doing a trial version. Go through a whole entire trial version. It'll only take you like 2 weeks anyway, maybe 3 weeks tops. Make sure you're back on your game before you go back in there. Revenge trading and over risking will destroy your Forex trading career. You have to make sure to not do it. As hard as it is, sometimes you just have to stay consistent with your trading. Yeah, so all right, 13 minutes for the open. Looking like it's gonna be kind of a slow day today. So I'm gonna at least try to get one solid trade at least. That is the goal. Yeah. Yeah, you said after a loss you want to make it back by over leveraging. Yeah, exactly. Revenge trading. It's a vicious cycle that will just end up in a blown account almost every single time. So yeah, we've all been there. I've done it plenty of times. Not recently. I've been much better recently about that, but you just have to take your losses. It's just a part of the game. Just try to keep a high win rate. Go for high quality trades. Try to keep like a 60% and up win rate. Just not too hard, really. Try to go for trades that are super high quality and have long range potential. So if you're getting a nice 5 reward off of your wins and you lose 1, I'm sorry, a nice 3 reward off of your wins and then you lose 1, you get another 3, you lose 1, you get another 2, you lose 1. That's the best way to go. That way you don't have to worry about over leveraging, over risking. Just go for a steady, consistent performance. That's the way to go. Trust me, I've tried all the different ways. Slow and steady is the way to go in the Forex world. And in most things, really. In life. Slow and steady. And speaking of slow, today is looking very slow. Still got 10 minutes before they open. So this could change pretty dramatically within that 10 minutes. I'm hoping that it does, because as of now, not looking so great right now. You said, what if the strategy has a 20% win rate, but gives a lot of rate of return only after a month, not a week? Let me see. I have I can't pull that up right now, but I think if you go with 3 reward, you only need I think 34% win rate just to break even. So if you went for like, I don't know, 5 reward on your trades, you could have a really low win rate, but there's not that many 5 reward opportunities, so you wouldn't get as many trades. I go for the quick scalping method strategy. I don't really go for much more than 3 reward almost ever. Every once in a while I will, but I usually just go for 2 or 3, and I usually get 2 or 3, sometimes 4 trade opportunities every day. So that's just the way that I do it. There are people that trade off like the hour chart, the daily chart. They don't get as many trade opportunities though. So there's pros and cons to each one. I like the way that I do it. That's just the way that I've been doing it the whole entire time. I like the quick, fast moves. Not really trying to hold trades overnight and over the weekend and stuff like that. Just not my style, personally. But yeah, there's plenty of people that are successful doing it that way too. It's all up to you, however you want to decide the trade. Oh, I'm just happy I get to rest a little bit tomorrow. Goodness gracious. This week has been so busy. Running around like crazy. And it rained on me today. It sure did. All right, got 7 minutes before they open. Oops, uh-oh. Wrong button. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna get into as far as these trades. I really just want one solid trade today. I'm not trying to be doing too much today. Oh, goodness gracious. Yes, I'm back on the vape ski for a little bit. Why my throat is all messed up again. I at least quit real cigarettes. We're getting there. We're getting there. Step in the right direction. Right. Got about 5 minutes before the open. First open. Do I have Wome you test out strategies with? Omi? Wami? I don't know what that word means. What's a Wami? Omi. All right, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Oh, do I have someone that I test strategies with? No, not really. No, I've done it pretty much on my own. I mean, I've looked at some other traders' strategies and came up with my own thing, I guess. Yeah, I looked all around in the last 3.5 years. Looked at a bunch of different strategies. And eventually just came up with my own. It works. It works. It fits my personality. I'm not trying to be trading for too long. I'm really usually only on here for like 2.5 hours tops. So I get to get in, take my trades, and then go on about my day. And that was always the goal. Now, later on, I might actually start trading the London and New York sessions. So we'll see how that ends up going. That's a maybe too. I might not even do that, but we'll see. All right, got 1minute and 30 seconds before the open. But yeah, it might not be the advice that you want to hear, but if you busted up a prop firm challenge account, I would go to a trial version and complete that first and then go back and do it again. I know you don't want to hear that, but that's what I would recommend doing. Just clear your mind, get your strategy back in order. Yeah. Retrain yourself to have discipline again. You're still pretty new, but it's good to practice good habits from the beginning so you don't fall into losing a bunch of money for no reason. All right. Got 20 seconds. Okay, here's the first open here. Man, throat is killing me. Okay. Yeah, I don't see a clear direction on anything. Man. Yeah, the market is kind of not so great this week. Last week started off bad and then ended good. This week is just bad overall. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is exactly why I need to quit vaping. Mess my throat up. Okay. Yeah, I still don't see anything yet for today. It's like the dollar wants to go up. I don't know for how long. It doesn't look like a reliable. Nah, that's not good enough. I was thinking about going short on one of the Nah, I don't think that's good enough. It looks halfway decent, but not really. It might work, but I'm not gonna take it. Oh, you're thinking about getting the course? Course is pretty big. I'd say if you're really dedicated, you can get through it in like a week or two without skipping through things. John Doe, good morning. Yesterday's trades, I lost the UCAD short, and then I won this EGBP short here. So I only took that little tiny piece, and it ended up going all the way down here. So I definitely didn't think it was gonna do all that. I thought it would come maybe down to like here. So that was a really good move. So yeah, it was a decent day yesterday. Not great. Should have been better had I taken more reward on that. But you know, I still made money, so I'm not mad. Not as much as I should have. Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of a risky move a little bit. I think I'm still at 4. Yeah, I think I'm still at 4 for the week. And tonight doesn't look like there's gonna be much, but I'm sure I can find at least one solid 3 reward for today. So that's the goal. One solid 3R. And that will put me up to 7. And then I'll still have tomorrow. And I should be able to get to 10. So I should be able to still reach my goal of 10 reward. Yeah, maybe I should have went short here. Or here. We'll see. I might get like a pullback that I can trade into. And yeah, that UCAD, I should have never even took that trade. It was not a good trade. So that was an unnecessary loss. Dollar index has been acting up lately. That's usually where I get all my good trades from. Has not been the case. It's been like all my losses lately. Yeah. Yeah, I'm learning to take just super high quality trades. Cause there's always at least one every day. And if you just went for that one, maybe 2 really good trades every day, and just go for like a 70-80% win rate, it's way better that way. Yeah, possible short here as well. I don't really see anything on the odd NZD. Yeah, might go short on the EU. Might. Just depends on what happens with this move. Okay. Yeah. It's moving very slow today. Very, very slow movements. So the official London Open is at 1 a.m. like the next week and a half. Actually, let me go ahead and look that up. When does the time change in England? Sunday, March 26th. Okay. So in 10 days. So 10 more days of the double open. Yeah, this doesn't look too bad right here. It's not great though. Yeah, not great. Not terrible, not great. Yeah. Looking for solid trades only. A plus. At least A minus. Yeah, this is definitely not A plus territory. The dollar doing. Dollar. Yeah, really could go up or down. This could be like a EMA pullback on the hourly chart to go up. But if you look at the 4-hour, got this giant move down. It really could just be continuing down. So no clear direction there. So don't really feel comfortable trading the dollar pairs today for that reason. This also is in like a, yeah, it could really go either way. Probably will come down, but it might not come down for very long. It might just kind of chop around. This one here probably should continue going up, but it's also really overextended. So no clear direction there. Yeah. I don't see much of a, oh, hold on. This could break through here. Doesn't really look great either. Yeah. This is first day this week. I'm really not seeing anything. Yeah, not seeing much of anything trade worthy. So I'll stick around until at least like 110 and go through the actual London Open on their time. And by then we should have something. This is a half decent short here. Or here. This one's got more space too. That's the only possibility I see right now. It's not solid enough. Not solid enough. Yeah, yeah. This is one of the rare times that there's like nothing to trade. This looks like a half decent short too, but still not good enough. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, nothing yet, but I would say by 1 o'clock should have something. Just kind of have to wait it out. You can probably go long here too. It's too overextended, I think. So it probably won't go too far. Let's see. You said you saw the other day I left my trade on good risk reward and didn't take profit. Trade went to hit my stop loss. How do you handle such a trade? Or it's a matter of getting used to letting your strategy play out? Yeah, you're probably talking about, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. It was like a UCHF short, I think. That's probably the one you're talking about. The one that went right up to my take profit and then went all the way back up, came all the way back down, and then hit my stop loss, and then proceeded to go through and hit my take profit after. You're probably talking about that one. Yeah, it sucks. It sucks when that happens, but you don't want to take your profits early all the time, because then you're missing out on your profits. So you just have to let your trades run. Every once in a while, I'll set it to break even. But there's been times where if I didn't move it to break even, it would have ended up going through. So it just takes experience to know what a good like 3 reward move actually looks like. And once you know what they look like, you'll know that your trade is going to go through. Okay, just let it run. You can turn your computer off and just go to sleep or go finish up your day, whatever you got to do, and then just come back later and see whether you won the trade or not. That's how I usually do it, because if you sit there and watch it, you're probably going to mess with it. You'll get to a place where you're confident with your decisions, and that's where I'm at now. That's where I'm at now. Sorry, my throat is killing me. This is why. Yeah. I got too much going on right now to quit vaping now, but eventually I am going to quit. It will happen. Oof. Yeah, this week has been like really extra difficult. Probably the toughest week of the year, even tougher than last week. Actually, no, last week might have been worse. But yeah, January was like awesome, super easy. I'm thinking the whole year was going to be like that. Definitely not the case. January was so easy. Yeah, that's another thing. You have to like, you'll have really easy times. Some weeks will be really easy. Some weeks will be really hard. You have to be able to know when like today, there's just really nothing. I've looked at every single pair. There's really no good moves right now. So I'm just not going to take any trades. Now I could, you know, get into something, but it'll probably just be a loss. So I'm not going to. Why waste money like that for no reason? Oh, here we go. We got some movement. A little bit of movement. I'm trying to play these random music playlists I found. I'm trying not to get copyright strikes on my channel. My last video actually did get a copyright strike. I'm trying to be a little careful. Gotta be so careful on YouTube. Okay, we're getting some movement. Still not anything I want to actually get into yet. Might eventually go short here. Maybe once it gets to halfway of this big move down, I might take a short here if it makes it that far. I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be right back. All right. Yeah, we're gonna end up getting something today. It just might take. Hopefully, I don't have to wait all the way until 1 o'clock, but that's what might end up happening. Because there is still nothing. So I'll give it until 120 at the latest, and if I don't see anything by then that'll be it. This will be the first day that I don't take any trades if that happens. Are there months where I can make break even, or am I always in profit? On the accounts where I trade, on the accounts where I don't compound, I'll say almost always is a profit. But if I'm compounding, I could end up actually in a loss. I trade different accounts with different strategies, so I've found that I'm not really ready to be compounding full time. I can do it for a couple weeks, but I can't do it for like months at a time. So yeah, if I just keep a consistent risk the whole time, then I'll have a profit. You should be able to get at least 5 reward, if not 10 per week, pretty easily. Just have to take quality trades. That's the name of the game. And if you don't see anything, don't take any trades. Don't just get into trades just because. I used to do that all the time. The old me would have took like 3 trades already. Okay, this is not too bad here. I might actually get in here. Maybe. Yeah, I might take a short on one of these dollar pairs. Okay, yeah, that might actually be. Let's see the 4-hour. See the daily. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. This might actually be the move that I take here. Yeah. Yep. Okay. See the UCAT actually. So I would like for this to go up so that it can push all these down. And then the odd NZD is coming down. Well, not really. It's actually probably still going up. So it might even be better to do it here. This chart doesn't look as good. Man. Yeah, I might have to wait a little bit longer. You only have one setup that comes once a week or once every 2 weeks. What do you trade off, the hourly or the daily chart? Yeah, I don't know how you guys do that. I can't. I'm not that patient. Even today, I'm just like itching to get into something, but I just don't see anything solid enough. I definitely can't wait the whole week to try to get a trade. I'll go crazy. Yeah, I'm a very impatient person. I'd probably be, man, I've had to like get myself in check, but if I was a more patient person from the get-go, I'd already be much further along in my trading career. All right. There's at least some movement happening now. None of it is really particularly good, but it's something. Hmm. Man. I don't know if it's the time zone change thing. I don't know what's going on. This week has been like super difficult. Hmm. Oh, good thing I didn't take that short. Yeah. Yeah, it happens. It happens. It's usually pretty steady, but these last 2 weeks in particular have been much choppier than usual. And like I said, January was like super smooth. It was like the easiest month I think I've ever had. And then February got a little harder. Not like this, but it was a little more difficult. And then yeah, these past 2 weeks, outside of a couple of days, have been extra choppy. The dollar's just kind of chopping around, and I don't know. It's just been really difficult, more than usual. But yeah, if you're compounding, especially, compounding really is the easiest way to pass those prop firm challenges. So if you're going for compound trades, you need like A plus plus trades, and they have to have a really solid stop loss area, because if you're on like your second or third trade in the compound cycle, you can't be moving your stop because you've risked so much on the trade. You can't play with your stops like you normally could. If you're risking one, sometimes you can move it up to two, but if you roll two trades into one, you can't move your stop at all. So it has to be like a really tight, perfect move, and they happen all the time, but you just have to be patient enough to wait for it. Okay, we're getting movement. Ah, I was actually gonna take this short. Man, I still might later. I'm glad I didn't. Once again, another good reason to use stop orders instead of market orders. Save yourself a bunch of missed trades. Man, vaping is so bad. I know it's better than real cigarettes, but man, I quit vaping for a couple days. I could breathe, my throat felt clear, everything was great. And then I got back on it. I can hardly breathe. It's like hard to talk. My throat is hurting. It's no good. No good. A small step above regular cigarettes, but yeah, it's not good either. Okay. Yeah, I really want to short one of these dollar pairs. Very tempted to short this here. I might do it. Yeah, I might do it. Am I gonna do it? Yes. Alright, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna short this here. A little bit risky, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I think it'll work. Okay. Right, risky, but I did it. Okay. So we'll see if my little risky play here pays off. It's definitely worth a try. Oh. Damn it. Nope. Alright, it was worth a try. -1 for the day. I think that same move will end up working in about 20 minutes. All right. So I need to find a 3. Erase that loss and at least get a 2 for the day. I'd be okay with that. All right. Well, we got 17 minutes before the London Open. Second Open. I think I was right here. I think I was just too early. The dollar. Yeah, I think so. I really don't see this coming down. Yeah, I think I was right here. I just was, yeah. I'm gonna give it a minute. I might hop right back into that same trade. Okay. I am actually going to, yes. Am I going to? How much space does it have? Yeah, I don't think the dollar is just gonna continue crashing down. So I should be able to go short here. Yeah. Okay, I'll try one more time on this one. Okay, yeah, I was right. I was just too early. Okay. Attempt number 2. I should just use a bigger stop on the first one. So if this goes through, it's 3 reward minus the 1 that I lost. So I'd be up 2. And like I said, I'll wait until after the London open, second open, and we'll see what happens with that. I might get into one more trade, and that'll probably be it for today. It looks kind of slow and choppy, so I don't really see me taking a whole lot of trades today. Oh damn, maybe I was wrong. Oh. Damn. Oh my goodness. Still in there, right? Okay, I'm still in it. Goodness gracious. Okay. I'll say I don't think I'm wrong here. Okay. Probably even go for 4. Let's see. Okay. So that erases the loss and gives me 3 reward. So if that goes through, I'll be up 3 for the day. I'm tempted to double stop, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna leave it. Goes through, goes through. Well, got 9 minutes before the second open. Hopefully this one goes through. I don't want to start off with 2 losses. That's never good. Oh, still in there. Man. Oh, I get stopped out. Damn it. Okay. All right, that's my last try on the dollar pairs for the day. All right, down 2. So I'm gonna wait for the second open before I take anything else. Not a good day. Not a good day at all. Okay. 5 minutes for the second open. Since the open is like right around the corner, I don't want to get into anything right now. So I'm gonna wait until after. So I want to at least get back to break even for the day. All right, 4 minutes. feel like I'm gonna be able to short one of those dollar pairs. I think so. I don't think I was wrong. I think I was just too early. Both times. But yeah, one of my hard rules is 3 losses in a row in the session. So gotta be I gotta make a wise choice with this next trade, because if I lose, that's gonna be it for the day. Some days are just not good. If you lose 3 in a row, it's probably not a good day. You'll probably just wait until the next session. Either that or you're not trading well that day. Okay. All right, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this looks like a sell, but it's not. Yeah, nah, it's not good enough. This really could go either way. Okay. One more chance. Minute 30 seconds. What are we gonna do? All right, got a minute to go. Could go long here too. It's another possibility. Right. 30 seconds. Gonna be something. Not sure which one of these is gonna be, but it is gonna be something. Gonna be a trade somewhere in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Okay, here we go. Okay. Which one? And which one's it gonna be? Here, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Short EGBP. Okay. Okay, this is the one I decided on for now. Okay. Not fantastic there either. Really not. But it looks pretty decent. And again, if I lose this one, then I'll exit the session because yeah, I'm not seeing much of anything today. If you lose 3 in a row, you gotta go. Yeah, I'll probably stay on here till like 1:30. See if I can get one more trade. Yeah, I can't hear the music that's playing, so hopefully it's good. It's just kind of going through playlists. Wasn't able to get it to come through my headphones and go through to the stream too. What made me take this trade? Mainly just the big rejection. Had a big move down here, big tail, big wide bar here, another big wide bar, another big wide bar, came below the level. It's not a fantastic trade, like I was saying. It's like a B minus. Not great, but I'll let it run. We'll see what happens. Not a terrible trade. This is a 2 reward. I want to get something today. So this will take me back to 0 since I had 2 losses already. And then hopefully I can get one more and I'll maybe be able to get to 2 or 3 for the day, which I'd be okay with. Yeah. If I just get back to break even, that's fine too. I just don't want to lose 2 for no reason. So yeah, I really could have just used sell stops on those first 2 and not lost any. That would have been the smart way to go. Being a little impatient today. Paid for it. Right. Okay. Now, I think we might finally have our short. So I'm gonna actually wait for a pattern this time. Right. So I either need a double top or an engulfing top. And then I'll hop in there. Forgot I gotta be careful this week. It's not January anymore. Okay. This trade is looking pretty decent. All right, so this should take me back to break even, and then whichever the next trade I take should get me to 2 or 3. So that'll be a decent day. I could have had like 5 had I been trading properly. That's okay. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Right, which one do I get in on? I think I have to wait a little bit longer. I have to wait like 10 minutes, I think. Or do I? Maybe not, actually. The odd NZD is probably still going up, but this has the better chart to go short. I think I'd do it now. Yeah. Hmm. Like I might be too early. Yeah, no, it's too early. Yeah, I think I have to wait 10 minutes, 2 more bars to form. Then I'll go short. Oh, man, I'm so tempted to just do it now. I could have just set a sell stop. I don't have to. I don't want to miss the move. I don't want to miss the move, but I don't want to be early either. I don't want to lose another trade. Mm, yeah, this is not. This is too heavy of a downtrend. I need to see this. I need like a solid green bar here before I do anything on the dollar pairs. Just have to be patient here. Okay. Well, this one looks like it's gonna go through. Hopefully. Yeah, I need a reversal pattern here before I can do anything. Oh, man. They're really making me work this week. Actually, probably could have went short here. Like right at that 8 EMA, I could have went short. Got a quick 2. Alright, that's okay. Already missed it. No. I have all the indexes. That kind of is the currency meter. Yeah, all you have to do is look at the indexes. Got the pound going up. Got the euro going up. Got the dollar coming down. So really, I should be long here, but I don't think this is going to be a solid trend. I could be wrong, but I don't think that's a solid trend. I think it should come down, and it should come down heavy too. So I'm just waiting on that, but I need to at least see some type of reversal pattern here before I commit to that. I already lost 2 trades on there for no reason really, because honestly I could have, when I was trying to get those earlier, I could have just did a sell stop here. I think is where I did my first one. I could have did a sell stop there. That would have never triggered. And then I could have did another sell stop here, which would have never triggered. So I would have never even lost those trades. On non-choppy days, non-choppy weeks, both of my attempts probably would have worked, but since it's been so choppy lately, I have to be like extra careful. But at least this one's going through, so this will take me back to 0, and then I can attempt a 2 or a 3 on one of these dollar pairs. Okay, this might be it right here. So I want to see like a solid green bar and like at least a consolidation bar or 2. Yeah, my course has everything. Everything that I'm showing with these live streams is all in the course. Yeah, see, this one came down really heavy. So hopefully we can get like a double top. And I'll probably just set the sell stop there. Yeah. Write it down as a lesson for that. Listen, I tell people all the time, use stop orders instead of market orders. I say this all the time. And sometimes I don't follow my own advice because I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to just get the session done so I can go to sleep because I'm kind of ready, but all it did was make it to where it's gonna take longer. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm gonna go long on the UCAD instead. Nice. Why does it have to be so choppy? Chopsky. Is that too early still? No. Nah, we're good. Okay, we're doing it. Oh my goodness. My patience is at like 0 today. It should be fine. Oh, I didn't put it on here. And oh, all right. I'm taking my trades way too early today. Okay. It's looking pretty good though, even though it is early. Should I go for 3 actually? Maybe. Let's see. Nah, I'll go for 2. That's fine. Yeah, just 2 reward on this one. I think 3 is a little too greedy. Info, you said you think 2% of people in live trade. I'm blowing accounts and you remain relevant every day. I must say you are my role model. Oh damn. Well, thanks, man. Well, keep in mind I'm 3.5 years in. I do appreciate it though. My first 2 years were a disaster, if it makes you feel any better. It took me a long time and I lost a bunch of money before I could do this the way I do it now. It takes time. Yeah, this was early. I think it's okay, but it was early. It's definitely early. I should have waited for more of a pattern. Oh, I don't want to be down 4. That'll wipe out all my wins for the week. And then, yeah, I'll just be at 0 for the week. And then at best, I could get to like 5 tomorrow. But that's my own fault for taking the trade so early and not using stop orders. So if that happens, gotta be patient, even on Thursday and Friday, when you're all exhausted and ready to go to sleep. Doesn't matter. Still gotta trade right. Gotta trade correctly. Boy, if I lose both these trades, I'm gonna get pissed off. This one should be fine. This UCAD should be fine. That EGBP might fail on me. And that's fine too. If I lose both, it's fine, really. I'll just be at break even for the week, which is not bad. But I kind of wanted to, make some money this week. That'd be nice. I didn't do all this work to make zero. Trading is hard work, by the way. For anyone who thinks it's not, it's super hard work. Luckily, it's only like 2 hours. And yeah, it's been a stressful week too. Man. Yeah, my pen was a tingling this week. Not a good sign. Damn it, why'd I get in so early? Yeah, man, this week is like kicking my ass. Goodness gracious. Okay. If I win at least one of these, then I'll just be at minus. Wait, where am I at? I'm at -2 now. That'll be 0 and then -1. So if I win at least one, it's not too bad. But if I lose both, then I'm at 0 for the week. We definitely don't want that. Let me make some profits. Okay. That's a good sign. Okay. I might be saved here. Super impatient early trade. What's the dollar doing? Okay. Yeah, it might be engulfing bottom. Wide bar, 2 consolidations. As long as it doesn't go beneath here. As long as it doesn't go under those 2 consolidation bars, should be okay. But if it goes under there, then I'll probably lose that UCAD. The good thing though is if I'm right here, it'll go through really fast. It'll be like a 10-minute. It'll take like 2 bars to go all the way up to my take profit, usually. So it'll be either super quick win or a super quick loss. This is gonna be like the deciding factor right here. If it gets above here, then we're good. If it gets above the 21 EMA, then we're fine. So yeah, too early though. It was way too early. Okay. Okay, that's a good sign. Dollar. Okay. Not necessarily 100% yet, but it's a good sign. It hasn't dropped down beneath the consolidation, so that's good. Oh, man. Oh. Yep. Was that too early? Maybe. Not a good sign. Not looking good now. Shit. Ah. Oh, uh-oh. Hmm. Yeah. Trying to be early is definitely not the way to go. It's another thing I have a problem with on occasion. Try to get in the moves really early. Really not necessary, because if it's a good move, it's gonna go far anyway. All the trades I take 3 reward from usually go like 5 reward. So you can give yourself a little bit of space there. It's okay. You don't have to do stuff like this. Losing money for no reason. Yeah, so I'll stay on until 2 at the latest. Definitely getting tired now. I think I've been up for at least 20 something hours today. I took like a 20-minute nap in there somewhere. Oh no, I'm sorry. I took 2 20-minute naps. I remember. 2 20-minute naps. Definitely not enough. I need to actually go to sleep. But I want to see if this trade. I want to see if this one goes through. This EGBP might take kind of long. But I want to see this one. Oh. All right, so what am I at? -2. Looks like I'll get this one. So that's 0. Okay. So if I win both, I'll be up 2 for the day. Might lose this one, then win the other. So that's -1 for the day. Not terrible. So yeah, this one. Yeah, this one's out. Yeah. Too early. If anything, I could have went short there. It's all good. All right. So -3 for the day. Goodness. All right. Definitely my worst day this week, for sure. Yeah. Goodness. This keeps like this dollar keeps teasing me. Bruh. Alright, I'm doing it. We got our double top, we got rejection tails, we got all we need. Last one, last attempt. All right, I'm going for it. Last one. Okay. All right, so this is my last attempt for the day. Trying to short these dollar pairs. Okay. Possibly still too early. Still didn't use a stop order, even though I just talked about it like 10 minutes ago. Being impatient. Yeah. Yeah, because look at the 15-minute. Oh. Yeah, I might actually even get out of this. Let's see. Yeah, this is a perfect example right here. So I was up 4 for the week, and then I let one day take me back down to 1. I mean, I'm not at a loss for the week yet, but I could be if I keep messing up like this. But yeah, none of this was necessary. I didn't use my stop orders. Yeah, I'm just doing some really reckless stuff right now, but I can be a little hard-headed. All right. So down 3 for the day. and I'm currently in 2 trades. So my maximum daily loss is 5. So if I lose these 2 trades, that would be that 5 right there. Okay, maybe I finally got it now. I'm a little concerned with that 15-minute chart. That does not look like a good short at all. It looks good on the 5 and the 3. In the hour, looks all right. Taking a lot of B plus moves today, B minus. I might have finally caught it though. Okay. Yeah, this looks a lot better now. Still not a good move though. It's really not. I'm gonna let it run, but it's not that great of a move. I could just take the little bit of profit I have now and just get out of it. It's really not. Look at that 15. That looks so bad on the 15-minute. It's like a loss just waiting to happen. Yeah, I really should pop out of this. See the dollar. I should get out of this trade. I really should get out of this trade. What's the odd NZD doing? Yeah. And I'm shorting the Australian dollar while the odd NZD is going up. I'm making a lot of mistakes today. Goodness. But the greed demon is telling me to stay in it. The logical angel is telling me to exit immediately. Exit while you still can. goodness. Oh, let's see. Okay. I think I should at least set it to break even. If it's gonna reverse and go back up for a little bit, this is where it would do it. I could take my little bit of profit. Yet. What do I do? My goodness. Yeah, I should get out of it. Oh, oh, looky here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, remember those 2 trades I lost earlier? Here's that going through. Oh. I should have just not traded today. That would have been the better option. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, today is not my day at all. Man. Yeah, I might as well just let them run now. What am I down? 3 or 4? Let's see. Down 3. Eh. Eh. Yeah. Yeah, this is not a good trade. All right. I'm gonna X. Yeah. All right. I got out of this one. It's just not. It's too risky. So, small profit there. Little baby profit. Yeah, 15-minute chart is. It'll probably go way up here somewhere. I'm not gonna be in that one. I should have took the bigger profit, really. Yep. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, based off the 15, I could even go long here. Um, Antonix. Yeah. Yeah, I'm usually much better. Well, if you've seen any of my other streams, you know I'm usually way more patient than what I've been showing today, but it happens. You have a bad day here and there. Can't try to force trades out of the market. If there's nothing there, then just don't take any trades. That's the lesson for today. Don't get into trades just because. All right. Tempted to go long here. I don't know if I'm just. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this week I actually looked earlier at all the trades I took this week. Had I not taken any dollar pair trades, I would have been way up. So I should have just left the dollar pairs alone since the dollar is so flippy floppy these past 2 weeks. I should have just not even gotten into any dollar pair trades. That would have been the smartest way to go. And it's easy to tell when the dollar is going to be good. Yeah, definitely recording your sessions definitely helps. This is my 20th live stream. I've traded much better since I started doing these. Actually, I would say today and last Monday were my two worst days on the streams. All the other days were pretty decent, but those 2 days in particular, today and last Monday, were like really bad. Losing multiple trades in a row, breaking all types of rules, being impatient, taking bad trades. Like I said, it happens. No such thing as a 100% win rate, at least not for very long. Oh, now it wants to go through. Oh my goodness. Yeah, very impatient. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty rare, but yeah, some days are just not, there's just not that many trades on some days. You just have to like accept it and be okay with it. Don't try to do like I did today and try to make trades out of thin air. It just doesn't work. If there's nothing there, then just don't take any trades. Really just that simple. Man, I did it like backwards. I traded backwards today. That's what I did. Yeah, there's another piece of advice for you. Never trade while you're pissed off, and never trade while you're tired. And if you're tired and pissed off, probably should just skip that day. Probably. Yeah, that GU and that UCAD. Yeah. But now that I'm looking back at it, it wasn't even a good move anyway. Neither one of those were good. They weren't good. This one wasn't terrible, but it wasn't good either. So if I end up losing it right here, I won't be too surprised. Now that I think of it, were there any good trades today? Oh, there was this. Yeah, I did it backwards. I should have went short here. That was probably the only. Oops, hold on. Like a 5 and a 10. Let's see if that worked. Yeah, 5 and a 10. This was probably the only good move here. I could have shorted it right here and got a quick 2. Other than that, I don't think I've seen anything even tradable today. But had I done that and not taken anything else, that would have been a nice 2 for the day, and I could have just ran with that. That would have been fine. That would have been the way to go. You'd also probably have gotten away with a short here. Still not great. Not great. Not great. Yeah, if you insist on revenge trading, at least keep your risk the same. Don't revenge trade and like double your risk. Well, you shouldn't revenge trade at all. But you know what I'm trying to say. If you're gonna get crazy, at least get crazy with like consistent risk. Won't be able to do too much damage. And if you end up being right, you can at least get back to break even. So what's going on tomorrow? Let's see. Any heavy news tomorrow? Kinda. Oh, it's St. Patrick's Day. Is that gonna count? Is that gonna make a... Well, the banks are still open. Everybody's gonna be drunk. can't remember what I did last year on St. Patrick's Day. But yeah, bankers and day traders are definitely drinkers. For like New Year's, you want to stay out of the market. Probably tomorrow or Friday, St. Patrick's Day. We'll see. I'll pop in for the session. I don't know if it's gonna be worthwhile. Yeah. It is after 2. All right. I'm still in this one. Yes. All right. Oh, not anymore. God. Okay. Down 4. Man. So that zeroed me out for the week. Terrible. And here's this. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's what I did. I traded backwards. All right. Yeah. I mean, at least I was right. I wasn't wrong. I was just early. I was wrong on this one. I was wrong on the EGBP, but I was right on this one. Hmm. Man, oh my god. You see this? I got stopped out by, what is that? I stopped out by 0.8 pips. And then it went through. Man. Hmm. All right. Well, I don't see much else happening for today. I'm too exhausted anyway. So I'll go ahead and end the stream there. Today was a what not to do day. So I zeroed myself out for the week. So I was up 4, now I'm at 0 for the week. So at least it's not a loss. So I guess I should be happy about that. But yeah, it didn't need to be like that. But it's all right. It happens. So that is the stream for today. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. I don't think it'll affect the London session, and it might not even affect the New York session either. But I think I'll be fine to stream tomorrow. So I'll be back here at 11:30 West Coast time, and I will see you guys later.